Camera missing in device manager on Windows 10 fix. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can actually solve if the camera is missing in device manager, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now this issue could usually happen if you have disabled camera access or camera in the first place. Open up settings and go to apps and go to default apps here, and here you can see camera. So simply search for the camera app if you don't find it, or you can go to installed apps and then just select camera in this case, right? So once you select camera, you simply want to make sure that you have not disabled it. If you have disabled it, make sure to enable it. You can also go to advanced options here and try to make sure to enable all the access that it requires over here. Then after you've done this, you should also be able to set it as a default app here. After you do this, you can just try to open up settings again, go to Windows Update, check if your device has any sort of updates available, and if it does, then just update your device to the latest version. Last but not the least, you can just try to restart a device, and hopefully that would help you solve the issue. So hopefully this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.